We're also getting you the latest from the second worst affected state in the country, that is Tamil Nadu, where COVID cases have been increasing by the day. And while the state government claims that they're putting their best foot forward and testing the maximum number of people, the reality seems to be very, very disappointing. Check out this report by Akshay Nath.
Tamil Nadu is second only to Maharashtra in terms of most COVID-19 cases, of which more than 75% are in Chennai alone. But on ground zero, the government seems to be faltering. At a time when medical experts have been advising on ramping up testing, in some cases, even immediate family members of COVID-19 patients are not being tested.
The son and the wife of the positive patient tried contacting the corporation officials, and we also tried contacting the corporation officials in the area concerned. But unfortunately, the reply from the corporation seems to be very weak. Seems to be not clear. Mentally degrading situation in the family, saying that the positive patient is in the hospital, but the two immediate contacts are not being tested. So that is the plight that we are going through.
This family is not alone. Another family member shares the plight of losing a relative to the pandemic. The kin alleges that government hospitals are failing to do even the bare minimum.
The hospital got admitted my mother immediately the same time.
Okay.
But after I went to that is an ICU, not a normal ward.
Okay.
There is no doctor and nurse inside the ward. Okay. But all the beds are full. One more patient is very severe in the breathing difficulty. No nurse and doctor were supposed inside in the ward to treat the male person. Next day, my brother got severe fever and breathing difficulty too. Then we went to the primary health center. But really, we are stupid for going there, and at most we have spent 4 hours there. My brother got very tired and sit in the road itself. Then I went to the private hospital and checked for 4 of us. It cost 20,000 for us.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
on the same day I got the result. The next day I lost my mother.
But the administration says that all the home contacts and all symptomatic ill and other cases are compulsorily tested. The Greater Chennai Corporation says that they have reached 16,000 tests per million, which it claims is the highest in the country. As India prepares to unlock, restrictions still continue in Chennai. With cases spiking every day, more testing is key to containing the spread of the virus.
Test, test and test is the only solution towards finding a relief towards corona, is what even WHO has said. But now what we're seeing here in Chennai is several families coming out and giving statements saying that the kind of measures that are seen or taken by the government is not sufficient. How will the state government approach this is something that we'll have to wait and watch. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.